I will evaluate two websites listed in the ebook 77 Web Resources for Teachers to Try This Summer by Richard Byron. The first one that I've selected here is Google Earth. The reason why I selected this one is because it is applicable to science courses, as you get 3D renderings of Moon, Mars, and different sky views as well as Earth. The second one that I've selected, went one page too far, is the Chemical Education Digital Library. The reason why I selected this one is because I am currently a chemistry student, and fundamentally it's a good resource I found to explore and get some hands-on experience using different 3D modelings or the online lab. And overall it's a well put together website, and there's a lot of interactive and fun, interesting things to learn. This is the Google Earth website. It has a variety of different tutorials in here that introduce you to the 3 different virtual worlds that they have: Google Earth, Google Sky, and Google Moon. And basically each of those give you an overview of each of those areas. If we go down here to the educators link, go into the educators community, you can see that there's a variety of different tips and tutorials, classroom resources, teacher-to-teacher forums. They actually have featured lesson plans right here. You can overlay several different types of data and compare them to one another. For example, weather patterns mixed with physical topography, or health data such as tuberculosis, a strain of tuberculosis overlaid with the concentration of people in certain areas, so population density. And you can see where it's high risk of expanding. Also taking the liberty of downloading it so I can demo it to you here quickly. Again, we'll go from the Earth to check out the sky or the stars, and you can put in little place marks wherever you want. So I put in a place mark here already. Just demo it for you quickly. Double click on it. This is my astrological sign, so I'll take you into Libra. Of course, you could search for anything else of your choice. This is the Chemical Education Digital Library. It has a variety of different resources for educators, such as stereochemistry tutorial. It takes you through the different structures. You can zoom in on it. Active periodic table, which is great because you can zoom in on a specific element and it will tell you all about it, give you a bunch of different information, and it really adds a more interactive experience and a more interactive approach to learning chemistry. So anybody can have access to this. There's a bunch of different courses. There's a chem teacher. There's also a virtual lab, which I've loaded up here, which I can show you. We can literally take things and mix them and see the change in molarity and pH and so on and so